To replace the battery for this key fob, notice here it has one tab right here and then one tab on the other end. So what we will do is we will press both of these tabs at once and then pull the key outwards. Just like that, there's the key taken out. Coming back to the key fob, make sure that these buttons are facing towards yourself, and then we press and hold these two tabs at the top again. This time I'll be using a tool like this. What I'll do is that I will slightly punch it in that spot right there and then push it upwards. There you go. We slide it outwards. And there's the key for the remote. We pull it out. And keep in mind, it is a CR2032 type battery that's supposed to go in this key fob. Suppose you have a new battery and you want to install it back. You make sure where you see the plus behind the battery, it's supposed to go at the bottom side. So just like that. Battery is in position. Once the battery is in position, now we flip this cover. And just like this, we are going to put it back and slide it in. Once this is in, make sure you are pressing these two tabs and then slide this cover down all the way till the very end. There it is, it's completely in. So the key is you have to press and hold these two tabs and then slide the cover downwards. Otherwise the cover will not go in. We got the new battery installed. Now we'll go ahead and slide in the key. Just like that, and that is how we replace the battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.